Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a price adjustment on Temu in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Open your Temu app or go to the Temu website on your computer and log into your account. Go to the order section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of your screen or by clicking on your profile on the website. Find the order that you want to request a price adjustment for and tap or click on it and open the order details. If you see that the price has been dropped after your purchase, look for the option to contact customer support or request a price adjustment. Select the option to contact customer support and choose price adjustment from the menu. Some apps or websites may offer a chat or email option for this. Send a message explaining your request. Include details such as item name, order number, and price difference. Temu's customer service will usually review your request and adjust the price if eligible. And that's it. It's that simple to request a price adjustment on Temu. Just be sure to contact them soon after your purchase, as there's usually a window to request the adjustment. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and drop any questions that you have in the comments below.